Hello, my name is Natalia, and this is my storyboard created with the help of Storyboard That. The Frog Prince. Let's click on slideshow to watch every slide. Okay, let's start. I promise to give you any toy you want. I want a ball made of gold. There are no balls made of gold. But a promise is a promise. One day the princess was playing with her ball, but the ball fell into the pond. I have lost my ball made of gold. I can get your ball back. Frogs can't talk. Well, I can. I will get your ball back, but only if you make me a promise. Oh, I will promise anything you like, and you can even have my crown. That's all? Oh no, that's just the beginning of the story, but I have used all those 6 cells available in a free account. So, be continued. Thank you.